Hey Wolfpack, Cameron here from Wolfstorm Offroad. Today we're going to be working with this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and installing our new front inner liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. I'll be walking you through removing the OEM liner and then leading you through installing your new one. First, we're going to remove the OEM inner liner. Locate the 6 plastic clips supporting the liner to the Jeep. To remove the clips, you'll need a wedge tool. Clip pliers or a fastener removal tool works the best. After removing the clips, locate the single 10mm bolt and remove. Next, we're going to separate the fender liner from the fender flare. You'll find the outer edges secured by small plastic rivets. For this install, we'll show you how to carefully remove the clips without damaging the components by using a torque and hammer. Give each clip a good couple firm taps and they will push out. Now using your wedge or prying tool, you can separate the inner fender liner from the fender flare. You should be able to pull the clips out as well. We can now carefully remove the liner from your Jeep. When installing your liner, we recommend installing your fender flare first, in case there is any wiring that needs to be run behind the liner. For this installation, we have installed our front fender flare. You'll find a link to the flares in the description below. Now to install your inner liner. Locate your supplied hardware of bolts, washers, nuts, and self-drilling screws. You'll need your 3/16 Allen socket wrench, a 10mm wrench, and to install the self-drilling screws, we recommend an electric drill. The liner has 2 pieces to install. We'll start with the first piece that has the Wolfstorm logo on it. Locate the 3 liner support holes that you will attach to. The 2 top bolts won't require backing nuts, but the front hole will. Go ahead and hold the piece in place. Match the holes and hand tighten. The front support hole will require a backing nut. You should be able to access before you fully tighten into place. Next, locate the second piece of the liner. Hold in place with the rear piece overlapping the front piece. You'll see there is 1 top hole for a bolt to screw into. Next, connect the 2 pieces with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. Line up the holes and hand tighten. Now that our liner is set in position, it's time to secure the liner. Grab our 3/16 Allen socket wrench and our 10mm closed end wrench. Start from the front and work your way back. The last hole will be a self-drilling hole, so you'll need your electric drill. These can be a bit tricky. Pressure is needed to punch through the metal, but then they should tighten right up. Next, we can now fully secure the center screws. Nice work! Congrats on your new front inner liners from Wolfstorm Offroad. These liners will give your Jeep the reliable protection and the support your Wrangler needs to attack the many trails ahead. If you like these step-by-step videos, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of any future new Wolfstorm products and videos.